everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. So on today's video I will be showing you guys how to make this beautiful arrangement, something very easy and affordable to make. So if you want to know how I made this arrangement, just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so for this project what you are going to need is one of these little boxes, and I did get mine from Kirkland's. They are currently on sale for I believe $17, and they just look like this. And so whenever I saw this, I really got inspired to try and do my own centerpiece. So like I said, it is $17. I had a 25% off coupon off of my entire purchase for my birthday, so I used it with this. And so this is the main thing you're gonna need. And then I picked up these glass vases from the Dollar Tree, and I got 3 of these, so I have 3. And then I do have 3 LED candles. These I picked up from Walmart because I feel like they are the cheapest there. They were only $5, so I got 3 of these medium-sized ones. I also got some little twinkle lights because I do want to add some lights into my centerpiece. You're also gonna need some foams. I picked up this. It does come with 3 of them, or was it 4? Never mind, I'm sorry, it was 4 of them. And I got these from the Dollar Tree in the floral section. And then I picked up 2, I don't know where the other one is at, but I picked up 2 of these big ones. And then I did get these little picks or swirly whatevers. I don't even know what they're called, but I got these from Walmart. And then you guys, I just have like a whole bunch of floral arrangements. These, I got all these from the Dollar Tree. And then I picked all these up from Walmart. So I know this is a tad bit crazy. I'm still not sure how all I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna get it done, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, you are going to grab your box, and this is where I am going to be inserting my candles. So you're gonna get your vases, and you're gonna basically put them where you are going to want them. And so I think I'm gonna do right here, and right here. So now, as you can see, they're not way too high. I think I'm gonna add these pieces of foam that I have. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna hot glue it to the bottom like this. That way, whenever it sits higher. You see it? So I think I want them higher. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm just gonna press it down until the glue dries so it can adhere just right. So that one is glued, as you can see. So I'm just gonna set it back down. You see, yeah, I like that much better. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the rest. So I have all 3 already done. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have all my foam set out on my little box. And so now I guess I'm just going to start figuring out how I am going to insert and do all my plants. A 9-foot branch garland. I got it from Walmart and this whole thing was only $2. So I think I'm going to set this one down first. So let me see how this is. So out of this garland, what I am going to do is I'm gonna use this as my base. So I'm just gonna go ahead and with my wire cutter cut pieces off of it, and I'm just gonna start sticking them on the foam. So let me bring this back. Okay, so you see I'm just sticking them straight to the foam. So that is why it's good to have the foam. Now I'm not with this garland, I am not gonna put it like in the middle. What I want to use this is just basically use it kind of like towards the outer area, and then I'm gonna start filling it up with all of my other ornaments and all of my other pickets that I have. So see, so first I'm just gonna start with the outer. Now of course, once we are going through it and everything, we will see where it needs more or less. So I think now what I'm going to do is start incorporating these. You guys, I'm having kind of sort of a hard time putting this on there because I think I got the wrong foams for this. Those white foams that you saw, do not get those if you're gonna attempt to do these. Just stick with the green ones. I'm not sure, that foam is just way too hard for me to try and insert these. I like literally have to stick my hand in there, so do not get those, just get the green ones. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn this around because I'm gonna see where I need stuff. So at this point, I'm just basically cutting them all off, and as a matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna do that to these too. I feel like they're too long. So that way, like this, I could put them how I want. As you can see, it's starting to look fuller now. You you guys let me know down below, how are y'all liking these DIYs? Do y'all like them? I mean, I hope y'all do, because there's a few coming your way. I have really been enjoying doing these for you guys. It gives me a sense of decorating while building or putting together my own little stuff with my own taste. That is the beauty of DIYing. So in the front, it's starting to look cool. What do you guys think? So now I'm gonna start adding some of this other kind that I have. And these have little sparkles in them, so they're cute. I think I have enough greenery in the base. So now I'm gonna start adding some of my colored ones, which are gonna be these poinsettias. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back around. See where else I'm missing some. I have all that done, and I do want a little bit more berries on here. So I had got this other little arrangement from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna start adding some. I have these little red truck picks. And what I'm going to do is just stab some in here. Put them in there. See. Just like that. I also bought this little set from Kirkland's, and so I'm gonna take out some of these. You guys, I'm like a complete airhead when it comes to these. I forget what these are called, but these little thingies. And I'm just gonna hot glue them to where I feel that they could go. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. But I think I like the way that it looks. It is pretty full, and I don't want to add any more stuff. So now what I am going to do is get my twinkle lights and add batteries to it. And I did pick up the multi-light ones. I just wanted to have all kinds of colors flowing through here, so that's why I got this one. But and of course it is optional too, you don't have to do the lights. I'm just basically going to weave them all over this. course you're gonna have your battery pack, so make sure that you just hide that inside of the little box. That way you won't be able to see it. That is pretty much it. So this is how it turned out. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have always wanted to pick up some of these box decor that they have like at Kirkland's, because that's where I always see them. But they're like $60 and that is just too much. So I really love the way that it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know down below if you like it. Let me know if you will be trying it out and if you are gonna do your own. It is honestly worth it, you guys. I love it. So that is all for this video. I want to thank you all for being here and watching my videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.